The trout like doing that too. Oh, there you go on the other side maybe. Oh, here we go. Oh, there we go, there we go. There's someone there. There's someone there. There's some trout on this side over here, Ed. Oh, wait. That's a little baby red. It's not a trout. Yeah. It's a little guy. Oh, yeah, he got something. What do you got? Trout. Now, and if you ever get stuck in an oyster bed with your kayak, the best thing to do, Ed, come in front of me and start casting towards the mangroves. He's somewhere over here. He's somewhere over here. He'll show himself again, and then once he does, we'll have a little better idea of where he's at. With these tarpon, you just kind of wait and cast around where they're at till you see a roll. If you see a roll, try to get it, 3 yards in front of him. If you can tell where he's rolling. If not, get it anywhere close to where you saw him roll. You got hit? Oh, that's something.
Oh, that's a good trout.
That's a good trout. Man, he jumped out of the air. I think I'm gonna have that one on film jumping out. I got you. If you bring him this side, I'll get him for you. Yep. Oh.
He's coming up right here.
Oh, flyby. Hell yeah. That's a good one. Let's take a picture of this guy, Ed. That's a nice one. And I'm pretty sure with Mama in the background watching you. You want me to release it?
Yeah.
All right.
He's a skinny one though.
Yeah, he's good though. He's good size. Definitely a keeper fish. All right, let's see where that tarpon is. Little better. Little bit, yeah, right. There can't be anything smaller than that one we caught. Your wife's joking the fish over here. Another red, right? Little better. Ooh, just feistier. He's not even better. He's just a feistier one. I don't even get a net here.
I was gonna say you don't need a net for this guy.
Yeah, we got the picture we needed. There you go. No, bass fishermen. Bass fishermen are a little more patient. Yeah. No, I liked how you worked that bottom there. There's just little guys here today, huh?
Sitting on the bottom.
Yep. Well, we can keep casting here since we're getting bites, or we can move on. Up to you. Okay. See, because I think these guys are all little babies today. You saw one? Yep. I told you he's rolling in that little cubby back there. He's good. He's good. What? Jupiter's my daughter's name. Yep. Jupiter. No. That way, and I'll give them to you right away once you get back out. That way you don't have to worry about nothing in there. All right, Ed. Go over there and destroy those fish. Go get that tarpon, because that one kicked my ass right now. He gave me 3 jumps, and on the third one, he laughed at me. Did he push back in there? Yeah. There, that's it ends right there, so he can't go really much anywhere. Yeah, he can crawl through there, yes. Yep. Usually, so when you come back here, I mean, I'll post up usually by that stick, and they'll be coming in and out of here. You'll see them keeping rolling here. Today, they were like pushed back.
Can you do me a favor?
Yes, sir.
Can you hand me that bottle of water back there?
Absolutely. Right next to you. Right next to you. Yeah. Yep. That was a roll right there. Yep. Remember, go in reverse. Use the boat. Oh no, it is. It's the drive. Those are the main things. And then I'll check the inside to make sure no water get in, because it does get in like slowly. Right. It's usually fresh water that's in there. Right. But I've washed my boats every day. Some guys don't, and I don't know why. I don't think that's smart, but marker 80A. So this is Pop's fishing hole in memory of Clifford Jenkins, father, friend, and fisherman, 1940-2014. So like, if you're in like small area, you can just, and it'll turn it a little bit, you know? So if you need to just pivot, so I just use that guy. Makes it a lot easier. If you wait for me, I can help you out once I get out. Okay. And that's where the times that I've seen people fall is right when you went like this, then they give out and they go right back down, and then that's usually where it happens. Let me get this out of the way. That's good right there. That's good right there. Yep. Come on, young lady.
I took it up.
Keep coming. Give yourself some kicks so you can have some. Not till the end. You can beat yourself before you bring the. So take the drive out now. The drive. So you gotta. Yep. So these two towards you. Bring that one and that one towards you like this. I can do it, but I want you to try. Yep. And then straight up. So now you just lay it on top. And then you paddle your way in if you're by yourself. Right. Yep.